This is how a molecular lens looks like when bought brand new. So as you're looking at it, we are going to be removing from its storage container. Yes, then we see. As you're seeing, that's our microscope. That's our microscope. So this is the lens, the base, and this is the base. Adjusting knob. This is the so-called condenser adjusting knobs. Then the mirror. Then the condenser is here. So here, this one, it came with things that are not mounted on it, like the lenses, of which you can mount on them by yourself, as you see. So these are our lenses. Yeah, these are our lenses. If you can view, even though you don't look at the further part of it, you can easily tell this is the times 100 times 10 compared on the kind of lens it's displaying. Then this is times 40. So as you are viewing, this is how it looks like. Then those are our knobs where we are supposed to put our lenses. You pick one by one, then you fit in. As I'm doing it, you adjust. You also get here, you fit in that one also. Then another one here, you fit in also this one. So as you are viewing, these are our lenses. As you see, a times this is a times 100 because of the ring and the lens, as you see in viewing it here down. For always, what you have to do, identify. You can identify them because, like in the practical part of it, they can set for you an exam whereby you find this one is displayed in a way that you cannot view. You cannot view the what? These circular rings around them. So you cannot view. They tend to cover this 100 what no, for you not to identify, but you have to identify by the color and this pin down. So that could be easy for you. So this is a white ring times 100. This is times 40. With, as you're seeing here, it's a little bit bigger. And then this is also a times 4, a times 10. It's also more bigger, and for it, it's not displayed because it's the small one. And this is the base, as you are viewing. This one is our base. Then below is our condenser. You see, this is our adjusting condenser here, adjusting condenser. And this is our mirror. This is the base. Yep. Let me come. So as you're seeing, but I'm informing you, not requesting you to subscribe for me. This is always our, as you see, this is